Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today I have a Boxycharm unboxing for you. So I actually haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing in a couple months. I was getting mine really late, but I actually got mine relatively early this month, so I figured I'd go ahead and share what I got. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up before we get any further. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button before we get any further. I do upload every weekday as of right now, so Monday through Friday. I am uploading at 2 p.m. Pacific time, so if you want to see any more content, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification so you can actually get notified. And now let's just get into what I got in my October Boxycharm. So it seems like the theme this month was alter ego. The logo on here looks really neat, and there's a lot of really badass girls on this little pamphlet, so I'm really excited. I am not going to open this up because I don't want to see which one I got, but it does look like we get a 10% off of IT Cosmetics on the back, and I have, I think, version number 3. So now we are just gonna pop into here. So first thing that I see in my box is this guy. So this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I actually really like this mascara. I've used it before. I'm actually going to be needing a mascara soon, so I'm really excited that they threw this in. So this mascara retails for $24. As you guys probably know by now, Boxycharm only costs $21 every month. If you just have the normal subscription, they do now have a luxe subscription box, which is I think $50 a month. Mine is just the normal regular Boxycharm. So $21 a month, this mascara covered the cost for the entire box. So for me, again, totally worth it. The next thing I see in here looks like a trial size, or it might be a full size, but it's this little guy. This is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I actually love having hand creams. This is like the perfect size for a purse or for in your car, anything like that. I have really dry skin. If you guys watch me, you know I have like the world's worst crocodile skin. So I always have lotion on me or near me. So I'm actually really excited about this. I'm probably gonna throw this in my purse immediately after filming this. I'm wondering, let me try this out. Let's see if it smells good. It doesn't have like a scent to it, but it does have like a natural, like, it reminds me of the lotions at like massage places. It has that nice fresh spa smell. It feels really good. I'm not mad about that. I will definitely use this entire thing up. I've actually used Ahava products before. This is a really like nice lotion right now. It feels really good. It's sunk into my hands and it doesn't smell like overly like powerful. This retails for $10, so not a bad price. Again, that's half the value of the box. So again, for me, totally worth it. Another thing in here that I see that I'm pretty sure is a trial size, but I don't even care because I'm super in love with this brand, is this guy. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this looks like a spray leave-in conditioner. I'm a little bummed that they sent this to me this month because I just bought a spray leave-in conditioner, so I'm not gonna be able to start using this yet, but I want to. They actually sent us a hair mask from Briogeo a few months ago, I believe, and that is literally one of the best hair masks I've ever used. So I have been really wanting to buy Briogeo products lately, and I'm so glad they sent this to us. I'm pretty sure it's a trial size, so that's 2 trial sizes in this box, but this is a really generous size. It's still 2 fluid ounces. Now if you have thicker hair, this might be different, but for me, a spray in my hair lasts forever because I have really thin hair. I'm excited about this. This retails for $16, so again, this is about half the value of the box, a little over half the value of the box, so again, still worth it. I am really pumped about this little spray. If you've never tried anything from this hair care line before, I highly recommend them. Everything I've ever tried has like really blown my mind. Now this next thing I see is something that I'm familiar with. This is by Kat Von D, and this is one of the Everlasting liquid lipsticks, and I got mine in Bow and Arrow. This is a liquid lipstick formula that I've used before. I have Lolita from the same line, and it's a really good lipstick. It's a little drying, a little more drying than I would like, but Bow and Arrow is like one of those cult classic colors, and I've really been wanting to buy this. So I'm really glad that they kind of sent this to us. I'm actually going to apply this right now because I want to see what it looks like. Oh wow, it's a lot more brown than I thought it would be. This is like the perfect 90s grunge color. So that is one of the things that we got in the box this month, or that I got in the box this month. I really like the Everlasting lipsticks. Like I said, I have Lolita. I wear Lolita a lot. It is a little drying. I can't feel it on my lips right now as being drying, but I don't think it's completely set. But this color is such a cult classic, and I'm glad to have this in my collection. I'm I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of this out in the fall. These lipsticks do retail for $20, so that is pretty much the whole value of the box as well. And then the last thing that we got is something that I'm really excited about. It's this guy. This palette is so freaking pretty. This is the Pure Cosmetics Masquerade Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So it comes with eyeshadows and blush and highlight colors in it. So here is the palette outside of the box. Here's the inside. It's super pretty. It comes with a nice small mirror. And it has blushes and highlights and eyeshadow. I think this is such a pretty palette. You guys know I travel a lot. These are the kinds of things I love to take when I travel because it takes up less space and it's all in one. So I'm really excited to try this out. I've never tried any blushes from Pure Cosmetics. We've gotten a lot of eyeshadows from them in Boxycharm, so I do generally like their formula. A lot of their stuff that we've tried I've really liked. A palette we got a few months ago was by Pure. It was called the Soiree Diaries. That's probably one of my favorite palettes that we've gotten in a Boxycharm. So I'm excited to try this. Overall, I think their formula is really nice, and this looks like something I would definitely love using when we travel. Another thing about Pure that's really awesome, and I'm glad that Boxycharm includes them, is that they're cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. This retails for $38, so this is more than the value of the entire box. I think that's awesome. This is a really pretty palette, so I think this is worth the price of the box. Overall, I'm really excited about the box. I think they did a great job this month giving us really good value. They also gave us items that I've wanted or I've looked into, or brands that I really like. So I think overall this is a really nice, well-balanced box. I'm usually never disappointed with Boxycharm. I feel like I'm a pretty easy person to please, but they always just do such a good job with like curating boxes. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. It's my referral code. I think I get like points for every referral. I don't make money off of it. If you do already get Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box because I would love to hear what version you got. And that will be it for me today. So if you aren't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will just see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!